What does being an engineer mean to you?
For me, being engineering is curiosity about every aspect of life, constantly questioning everything, like in philosophy, but more down to the earth aspects, like in physical aspects.
What is the hardest part of being an engineer?
The hardest part is the weight of responsibility. Every mistake we make can lead to failure, financial losses, or even safety risks. Our team is supportive and can help us, but at the end of the day, it's up to me to do the job correctly.
What skills are essential to be an engineer in the 21st century?
Engineers of tomorrow have to constantly learning because the world is changing and technology is changing faster than you can master it. You have to be agile, trying to find solution in not obvious places. Also, connecting the branches of different industry. That's the essential.
How has your mindset changed after becoming an engineer?
Previously, I believed I can be one-man army, but then I learned the real strength lies in the group. You may not agree, but if you want big things, you need good prosperating team, and it's as simple as that.
What is the most inspiring thing about being an engineer?
Maybe it's a little bit romantic, but for me, it's pushing the boundaries of human being potential. Not only observing the new discoveries, but also learning and understanding, somehow at the end being part of it. You can leave the mark on this world. Basically, you can build something that never existed before. See your dreams or ideas become reality.
What would you wish for beginner engineers at the start of their career?
I wish you guys determination and motivation for continuous self-development. I think that's all you need.